How to forward AT&T call and text to another phone. Let's get started. First, let's start with call forwarding. To forward calls from your AT&T phone, simply dial *72 followed by the phone number you want to forward calls to. For example, if I want to forward calls to my other phone number with the number 554, I would dial *72 554. Once you have entered the forwarding number, wait for the confirmation that call forwarding has been activated. Then test it out by having someone call on your AT&T phone. Now for text message forwarding, AT&T does not offer a built-in feature. However, you can use third-party apps or manually copy and paste messages. There are apps available for both Android and iOS devices that offer text message forwarding features. Simply install the app on both devices and follow the setup instructions. If you prefer not to use apps, you can manually forward text messages by copying message content and sending it to the desired recipient from your forwarding phone. And that's how you forward calls and text from your AT&T phone. Remember, call forwarding is as easy as dialing *72 and for text, consider third-party apps or manual forwarding. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.